subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. A very warm welcome to all of you here in my channel. This is Jahangir from Tech JK. Today I'm in front of you with a very interesting video. That's how to design your logo for your website, for your channel with a very basic and a simple application, namely Microsoft Paint. Microsoft Paint is a basic and pre-installed application of every Windows operating system. Whether you are using Microsoft Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7 or even Windows XP. All the things you need to do I will tell you step by step, so stay connected to this video from the beginning towards the end. So my dear friends, let's start our video. First of all, you need to turn on the computer. Next thing you need to do is run Microsoft Paint application by pressing Windows plus R key here and type here MS Paint and press enter here. After pressing enter, Microsoft Paint window will be loaded, and here you have to select maximize cursor here and maximize it to end of the screen. Next thing you need to do, you have to choose a text here, click on the text and draw a text box here. And write the two letters of your, for example, your channel, for your website, heading of your website. As mine is Tech JK, so I need to write here D and T. Two letters D and T. After writing this, select all by pressing Ctrl plus A. Next thing you need to do, you have to choose a font face here. Font face here. There are so many font faces available for you. You can choose any of them of your choice. For example, I have by default used copper black, so I don't think to be changed because I think this is very good looking font, so I need to choose this one. Next thing you need to do, you have to choose a font size here, like by pressing the drop down arrow here. After clicking this, here is the last font size 72. I can change it, I can maximize it to, for example, 100, 500, 200, 300, whatever I need. So I will write here, for example, 300 and directly press enter, and it will be maximized to 300. After doing this, move the text box towards the center here and press outside, click outside. Next thing I need to do, I have to select here line, and next choose a line color. I will choose a line color as my background color is white, so I need to choose white color in the color 1, and here I have to choose white color by clicking on white. After clicking on white, select a line size here, this 8 pixels. This is not so much good. I need to increase the size. First I need to undo the action by pressing Ctrl plus Z, and I need to maximize the line size by pressing Ctrl and plus. By pressing Ctrl plus, it will be maximized to the size of your choice. For example, here I will pass a line through both of these two letters D and T. Or for example here, and by pressing shift it will be draw a straight line. Next thing you need to do, you have to choose any of the colors to design these two letters. For example, I am choosing here red, and I think black is best color, and red and black are the best combination for my logo. So I need to choose any of the colors. I need to choose red here. And pressing by clicking on the red, you need to choose fill with color. Yeah, you have to click on the portion you want to fill with this red color. Here I need to click here and I need to click here. I think these two colors are best combination for me. Next thing I need to do, I need to draw a text box and again a text box here. I have to write the name of my channel here, but this is the maximized font to 300. I need to choose font size, least font size, so I will select here and I will write here 100. After writing 100, I need to minimize the text box, resize the text box here, and I need to move it towards the downwards. And here I have to write my channel name. For example, daily, or for example, I will write in this daily picsart. JK. After writing this, I need to click outside of the text box and I need to choose a line here also once again and select a size here. This is a size, and press shift and draw a straight line in between this text daily tag JK. If you want to move it down, hold it by clicking on it and hold it and move with the mouse. Now next thing you need to do, you have to choose the color, that's background color, white color. Next thing you need to do, you have to choose as a single color also. Are so many colors you can choose. You can customize your text on your channel by many of the colors available in Microsoft Paint. I need to choose here black for example and fill these letters with black color. Next, black, 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 and next black and black. I think this is very good looking name of my channel. And next thing I need to write here by clicking on the text box, I need to write here once again a text, namely my slogan, that's Islamic and technical. Islamic and technical. And select it wholly by pressing Ctrl+A, and here you have to choose a font size. For example, I need to choose here 48, or for example 48. Instead of 48 I will choose here 36 or something else, for example 40, and press enter here. And next thing, I need to move the text box towards the center. First I have to resize it. Move it towards the center. I will erase here and I will write here, for example, this line in between Islamic and technical. Next thing I need to do, I will move it towards downwards, towards the bottom. I think this is so much pretty looking professional logo of my channel. You can customize it more, for example, by choosing line here and select a color here and pass a line through this, through this, through this, through this, for example, through this, through this. And you can customize it by colors. For example, here you have to choose color, fill with black here, fill with black here, fill with black here, and next select a red color and fill with a red color here, and red color here, and red color here also. This is a pretty looking logo and logo name for your channel, for your brand, for your website. thing you need to do, you have to save the file by pressing file, and here you have to click on save as, and next you have to choose a format in which you want to save. For example, I'm choosing here PNG picture, and next here you have to write the file name. For example, I will write here my logo one and directly click on save, and my file has been saved to my desktop here, my logo one. Guys, this is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and stay connected to Daily Tech JK always by pressing the bell icon, so that you will be able to see the notification whenever I upload a new video for you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys. Bye.